Thinking of turning your skills and passions into income? Starting a home-based business in Malaysia could be your perfect first step. Low cost, flexible hours, and unlimited potential. Malaysia offers a supportive environment for home entrepreneurs, whether you're selling online, offering professional services, or crafting handmade products. First, decide your business type: e-commerce, freelance services, consulting, or home-based food production. Pick something you're passionate about and that meets market demand. Even for home-based operations, you may need to register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, and obtain local council permits. Set up a dedicated business bank account, keep track of expenses, and understand your tax obligations. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we guide you through registration, compliance, and accounting so you can focus. Ready to start? Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today and let's build your business together.